Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Vonage. Vonage is a popular phone service that offers a variety of plans and features. But is it free or paid? Before we get into the details, let's talk about what Vonage is. Vonage is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol phone service. This means that instead of using traditional phone lines, Vonage uses the Internet to make and receive calls. This can be a great option for people who want to save money on their phone bill or who want to have a phone number that can be used anywhere in the world. Now that we know what Vonage is, let's get to the question at hand. Is it free or paid? The answer is, it depends. Vonage's free plan. Vonage does offer a free plan. However, the free plan is very limited. It only allows you to make and receive calls from other Vonage users. You can't make calls to or from regular phone numbers. Vonage's paid plans. If you want to make and receive calls to and from regular phone numbers, you'll need to sign up for one of Vonage's paid plans. There are a variety of plans to choose from, depending on your needs and budget. Here are some of the things you need to consider when choosing a Vonage plan. How many minutes of talk time do you need each month? Do you need unlimited texting? Do you want to be able to make international calls? Do you need a home phone line or a business phone line? Once you've considered your needs, you can choose the Vonage plan that's right for you. Pros and cons of Vonage. Pros. Vonage is a cost-effective way to make and receive phone calls. Vonage offers a variety of plans to choose from. Vonage is easy to set up and use. Vonage offers a variety of features, such as voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Cons. Vonage requires a high-speed internet connection. Vonage doesn't work during power outages. Vonage can be more expensive than traditional phone service if you use a lot of minutes or make international calls. So, is Vonage free or paid? The answer is, it depends. If you're only looking to make and receive calls from other Vonage users, you can use the free plan. However, if you want to make and receive calls to and from regular phone numbers, you'll need to sign up for one of Vonage's paid plans. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're considering switching to Vonage, I encourage you to check out their website or give them a call. You can also find a lot of information about Vonage online by searching for Vonage reviews. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video script. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also be happy to create a video script for you on another topic. Just let me know what you're interested in. Thanks again for watching.